everybody, thanks for watching. I want to thank everybody who took the time to take advantage of the sales that I had up. If the links are not working, then that means the sales are done. What happened was I explained everything about the books. We got books in, but I also got a lot of extra books. So the sell was to basically, help people get the book one at a good price they can afford, but also to really thank you guys for your patience and support. And I put the books at that price. It's a cheap price for those books, and I did those deals because of that reason, because of the delay, and it's just an inconvenience for people. And I don't like my name being out there as a person who possibly scamming or any shit like that. So talked about the naysayers and the people who hate and the people who send emails and just disrespectful shit, thinking it's some type of scam. Like, as I said, like, I haven't been on here for over a decade putting out content, and I'm not going to destroy my name and reputation for a book. It's a book. I've shown you guys the book. The books are going out. And, if you guys, if you feel more comfortable sending emails, that's fine. But we know everybody who order books, if you order a book, we got you. It's going to go out. And the reason why the price was so low for these books is because of the delay, because of the wait. I know it's going to be a wait for some people, but people have been waiting for a long time. And it's because of what happened with the legal issues, what happened with the publisher, stuff out of our control. That it was a holdup, but it's a book. It just has to be printed out, packaged, and shipped, and we're on that quickly as possible. I know the audio in the last video wasn't so clear, so I'm back here in the car. But I appreciate the emails, and you guys don't understand. Like, it really helps the support. I read those emails and people send them to me when my people send them to me. Support it helps. Words of encouragement from people from all over the world, from everywhere. Like, I get orders. I got people ordering from Japan. I got people ordering from Belgium even. I got people in Australia, Austria. It's people all over the world that orders stuff, that watch videos that's on here. If you're not from America, shout out in the comments, put where you're from, what country you're from, or what have you. But I get so many people who send me words of encouragement and hit me up, and who are really supportive. So I don't really like get down. I'm not gonna get down from anybody hating. It's we deal with Christians. So if you deal with Christians, then you already know, you've been through it already. But it's a process, and I appreciate people's support and everybody who's been patient. If you ordered, as I said, everybody who ordered like last year, who's been waiting for a minute, we got you. They're here. We move as quickly as possible. It's a process because there's other things to ship. But if you didn't take advantage of the sale, as I said, it's going to be down. If it's not down already, it will be down soon because we're almost out of those books. So if you didn't take advantage, that's the end of the sale. That's the end of the flash drive sale. All those sales are done. Everything will go back to normal price. Updates coming because I'm putting everything into Merkabah Academy right now, because we're going to get into this coming up soon. This stuff, as I said before, I've been talking about this. It's going to be over. You're starting to see it on YouTube. So before, you can go in the comment section and basically say anything you want. Any hurtful, crazy shit that you wanted to say, you could put in the comment section. Now you're getting those alerts that are popping up, and you can't even say what you want to say anymore to these people. It's coming to an end. I'm telling you what's about to happen. If you don't have your platforms locked in, which, since people don't know what's about to happen, they don't know because they can't fathom what's coming. Nobody is rushing to open up a platform that a platform like Facebook or what have you, that you can communicate with people, a social media platform. People are not rushing to open that up. Once that closed, nobody's going to know. It's going to be done. It's not going to be free. It's not going to be open to ones that's public, like Facebook or what have you, where, you can basically post, conversations or what have you, but it's not going to be free as far as you being able to say what you want. So if you don't have your site out right now, if you're not doing what I'm doing, the reason why I created Merkabah Academy, to get ahead of it, you won't have it. So what could possibly happen down the road, but it doesn't matter. You're going to be able to go straight to my site. A lot of ISPs, as I said before, they're not going to want to carry certain sites. So even sites like mine, if they come in after the fact, then they're going to be done. It's going to be where this law or these ISPs, they have the ability to not, send bandwidth or use bandwidth for certain websites. That's why we had net neutrality, so you don't have to deal with that, to where no matter if Verizon or if you're Cox or Comcast internet, what have you, you can't discriminate against other companies because they're not using your internet. That's what net neutrality was about, to where they can't slow down your bandwidth or limit you because you're not with them. That's done now. So now, if we try to create something and talk and blog and all that stuff like that, it's over. But real quick, I want to thank a couple people who have been holding Merkabah Academy down. Always see you guys on here. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys understanding what Merkabah Academy is and coming there and being able to share information. So, of course, first of all, I got to thank Lance. Lance, I appreciate your support. The people that's popping up on here, you guys have been looking out and have been on the site. So Lance, Mari, Shabaka, Ewood, Michael, Ahmed, Laura, Sadia. It's a lot of new people on here. It's a lot of people who've been on the site. If you have any issues with the site, just send an email to therealmerkabah@gmail.com. But I want to thank you guys for being on the site and keeping the site fresh and sharing the site. And I'm putting a lot into the site. You'll see updates. I think it might be an update today. You'll see changes coming to the profile picture, the banners and stuff like that. It's going to make it a lot more cooler. It's just me. Like, people don't understand. Like, I'm not on here bragging and boasting like I'm balling out and all this and that. It's just me right now. Like, I have people working and helping out, of course, but I don't have like a huge, Amazon staff. It's not there. So stuff is a little slow, but I'm on it because this is full time for me. I put a lot of time and effort into it, and of course, I have other businesses, of course, to take care of itself. But with the last couple years being so rocky with Corona and everything, and then I talked about my health and my dad passing, but all that stuff is behind me. My business is doing well. Everything is good. My health is good. Everything is moving. So I have more time to get into stuff now. But my goal has always been to get Merkabah Academy where it needs to be. The good thing is the legal stuff, as far as that platform, is done, taken care of. I spent a lot of time and money on that to get it to where it needs to be, to where it can't be touched. It's a WordPress site, as I talked about before. Luckily for that, I have it off WordPress, if I need to jump off WordPress and put up a fresh static site somewhere else, or on a different platform, or hopefully on my own platform. So as far as having like a WordPress of my own, if you understand what I mean. But it's a process, man. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of things that get in the way. It's a lot of what they call red tape. And it's not easy, but I'm on it, and I appreciate the support. I appreciate everybody who has been supporting. It really helps, having that support, because you can't do this shit on your own. You can't. It's just not possible. Like, we gotta look out for each other. We gotta, it's small shit that goes a long way. So I really appreciate that. I really appreciate the support, and I appreciate the people standing up in the comments and just when you get your books, please do me a favor. Everybody, when the books start coming into you guys, make sure you send me a picture with the book, like last time before. Send me a picture to my email. Everybody knows my email is therealmerkabah@gmail.com. Send me a picture on Instagram. You can just, inbox me a photo. But when you get the book, please send me a photo. Please send me a photo so I can show these photos and the people who's been supported. It's a lot of people. So it's a lot of people. So I appreciate that. And it just will give other people who don't have the patience or the peace of mind to understand that, yeah, books are shipping out and you will get your book. But I wanted to put this video out real quick. Thank you guys for taking advantage of the sale, for supporting and everything like that. We got you guys. Everybody's waiting on the book. Everybody's waiting on whatever. We're moving quickly. We got you. We appreciate your patience and support. No scams here. You don't have to worry about no shit like that. You will get your order. I promise that. I appreciate the patience. See you next video.